Alright everybody, now it's time for the G7 chord. If you're new, remember to leave a like and also subscribe because we're going to be doing all these different types of chords on this channel. The open chords, the little bar chords right here. Oop. Wow, I really messed that one up. There it is, second time's a charm. So now we're going to continue going with the G7. Here we go. This is a tough one for some people. It's a bit stretchy. You can choose to add a finger 2 on the second fret of string 5, but I think it just muddies it up, and I think it's probably better to just go with the, it sounds more bluesy on this one. We'll listen to that one again on the G7 chord. Do you see my fingers of how they are? First two, okay, first of all, this one on the very bottom, okay, on the first fret. Now, middle finger and index finger are going to be on the top, on the very top string, and on the very bottom. Pinky is off, it's just the 3. Because on the regular G, you're going to have all 4 fingers. Oops. This one, okay, it's going to be 3 fingers on that one, and not a bad chord to learn because it's actually, again, a lot simpler, a lot easier than you think, as long as you get the hang of it. It's a lot simpler than doing what I just did before with these little bar chords. That sounds a lot better with that bar chord. That's a B, of course. So remember to leave a like and also subscribe.